MemGPT makes LLMs as operating system. Hi everyone, I'm really excited to show you about MemGPT. So what is MemGPT? We already have a token limit on each large language model. So this uses something called external context. Using external context, it works same as a RAM in your computer. So you should be able to store your data and then retrieve it. It gives additional memory for a large language model. So we are going to see how we are going to install this step by step. Let's get started. First, git clone and then memgpt. Once that is cloned, go into memgpt. Now we are going to create the conda environment. Conda create --n memgpt python 3.11. Creating that environment, proceeding that further. Next, conda activate memgpt. That will activate your virtual environment. Now we are going to install pip install -r requirements.txt. This installs all the required Python packages. Now we are going to export the key, OpenAPI key, which you can generate from OpenAPI platform, and enter it like this. Next, type python main.py and enter. As soon as you type main.py, it will start memgpt. Then hit enter to begin. It's thinking now. Welcome Chad. I'm going to say I am Mervin Praisen. You can see that it's updating the name Chad to Mervin. It is storing the name in the memory. Core memory successfully updated. Now I'm going to save by typing \save. This will create a checkpoint. You can use this checkpoint later if required. And I'm going to say I am interested in AI. Now that also will get saved in the memory. I'm going to save that checkpoint. You can copy the name of the checkpoint so that when you come back in again, you can enter and load it from where you left. So I'm going to type \exit to exit. And immediately I'm going to start again with python main.py. Hit enter to continue. Now you can see it's again starting from beginning and it doesn't have the memory. The reason is because when you go to memory \memory and enter, there you can see a predefined memory given to that persona. You are Sam and the bot is given a personality. As a human, the person who is talking to, it is given a personality here. So that's in the memory. That's why it's loading that from the start. We will soon see how we can change this. But meanwhile, we're going to load our previous checkpoint, \load, and click enter. What is my name and what I am interested in? See, you can see your name is Mervin Praisen and you are expressed interest in artificial intelligence, which is taken from the memory. If you see the previous conversation, it says, hello Chad. And when I load the memory, you can see everything got updated. Next, we are going to see how to create a persona and how to create a human. So create a file called human.txt. This is me, who I am talking to. So I am Mervin Praisen and I am interested in AI and DevOps and programming. So I'm going to save that file and I'm going to create another file called persona.txt. That's where I'm going to give the bot a name. You are memgpt. You are a helpful assistant. That's it. I'm going to save that file and exit. Now in the terminal, I'm going to type python main.py and then --persona and persona.txt, then human.txt. This is how it should be. But just because of the folder structure, this is how we are going to do. We're going to do ../..////. Similarly for human, we are going to enter ../////. Because it is going to check the memgpt folder. In the examples, there's a persona folder there, which I can quickly show you. So if you see the folder structure, inside memgpt, there's a folder called humans and there's another folder called personas. That's where the file what we created, persona.txt and human.txt should be there. But just because we have created on the home folder, we have to mention where the file we have created, the persona.txt and the human.txt. So to refer that, That's why we mention python main.py and then -persona //persona.txt and refer that file that it is in current directory, and then click enter. Hit enter to begin. Now you can see the persona. It is saying welcome Mervin, and it is saying I'm interested in DevOps. I'm going to ask, what is your name? You call me MemGPT. Yeah, that's it. You are retrieving the persona and human characteristics from those files. This is just a beginner's guide. I'm going to extend this further and show you more advanced tutorial on how to read from a SQL database and also memory from your own documents, and make this chatbot be able to respond to those data. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.